Hi, this is Sean Malarkey, your prompt and proven lawn sprinkler company. Did you know we also do landscape lighting as well? A lot of times I get called out to people's yards and they have spent a lot of money on a really nice outdoor entertaining area. They might have an outdoor kitchen, a grill. What I'm seeing a lot of now is the wood pizza ovens. Those are really cool. Nice patio areas with pergolas over the top of them. They want to light it up because at nighttime when they're out there it's all dark and they can't see what's going on. So for these areas you want something that's festive and functional. So on the functional end of things, think about your grill. You might be grilling when the sun's gone down, so you want to see a little bit of light. So it's nice to do an overhead light on the grill to light up the food. If you're doing that, you got to watch about the color of the light. If you use a light that has a real bluish color to it, it'll make fish and chicken look really bad. So you want to have a light that actually makes the food look good, so as you're cooking it, you can tell if it's getting done or not. I've had people put in the wrong type of lighting on a grill, and it's like really difficult to grill because you can't see if the food is grilling properly. The other thing would be just making it look festive. A lot of what we're doing now is string lights. Like if you have an overhead structure, you string lights it. So you got a cable or a wire that has multiple bulbs hanging off of it, and that just gives a very festive look. And all this is done with LEDs, so it's saving money, plus you have a very long life before you have to look at replacing any lamps, if ever. And another thing is just to make vistas. So when you're in that entertaining area, if you're looking out into the yard, you have some vistas that you can look upon, and you don't feel like you're enclosed by darkness surrounding the entertaining area. So think about extending the lights out into the yard. So again, it creates more views for your guests and for yourself when you're in your space.